Are you ready for the biggest Apple chaos in history? Stop whatever you are doing right now. Put down your phone and listen very closely. Apple just launched the brand new iPhone 17e yesterday. They also dropped the incredibly powerful M4 iPad Air. But they are hiding an even bigger secret from you right now. The heavily rumored 2026 iPad 12th generation is dropping at any moment. This is not a drill. We are right in the middle of a massive 3-day Apple release week. If you go to the store and buy an old tablet today, you will deeply regret your choice by tomorrow. The entire tech world is shaking right now. The latest leaks are absolutely insane. Let me tell you exactly what is happening behind closed doors at Apple. The rumors started exploding when Apple CEO Tim Cook posted directly on X, which was formerly known as Twitter. His official post teased a very big week ahead for the company. He clearly stated that the exciting announcements would start on March 2nd. This single tweet sent the entire tech community into a massive frenzy. Everyone knew something huge was coming. But that was just the beginning of the madness. The famous Bloomberg leaker Mark Gurman dropped a massive bomb on his official X account. He stated clearly that the entry-level iPad is definitely getting a huge upgrade. It is getting the highly powerful A18 chip. It is also getting full Apple Intelligence support this week. This is a complete game changer for budget tech. You usually have to buy a Pro model to get these advanced features. Another top verified leaker named Abhishek Yadav posted more exciting news on X. He revealed that the new iPad 12 will feature a massive jump to 8GB of RAM. This is a huge deal for a budget tablet. This extra memory is exactly what Apple Intelligence needs to run smoothly. It needs that RAM to process data without crashing your apps. On top of that, the official MacRumors X account shared some highly secret information. They posted leaked iOS 26 code showing the secret device numbers J581 and J582. This hidden code proves the tablet is completely real. It proves the tablet is fully ready to launch right now. Finally, the legendary supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo tweeted a major hardware detail. He said this new base iPad will feature the brand new M1 wireless chip. This specific chip delivers insane internet speeds. These 5 major Twitter leaks confirm one big thing. The iPad 12 is going to be an absolute monster. But what are the biggest international tech websites saying about this secret tablet? The news is flooding in from all over the world. It is impossible to ignore. In the United States, MacRumors reported that Apple is doing something very different this year. They are skipping a traditional video presentation. Instead, they are hosting a secret invite-only Apple experience for the media. This exclusive event is happening in New York, London, and Shanghai on March 4th. Over in Japan, the famous site Makotakara published a highly detailed report. When translated to English, their article confirms a major design choice. The iPad 12 will keep its current beautiful design. Apple will focus entirely on boosting the internal speed instead of creating a new look. The major publisher Sportsgator pointed out an interesting display choice. The 11-inch LCD display will remain non-laminated. This specific design choice actually makes the screen much cheaper to repair if you accidentally drop it. Finally, Phone Arena from Europe reported some of the best news yet. They reported that Apple is doubling the base storage. The new starting space will finally jump up to 128GB. 7 different major publishers from across the globe are all saying the exact same thing. This iPad is going to be a legendary upgrade for everyday users. The A18 chip is the exact same brain found inside the current iPhone 16. It handles heavy 3D gaming without breaking a sweat. It easily handles heavy video editing for your social media. It also powers advanced artificial intelligence. Apple Intelligence will completely change how you use a tablet. It will let you rewrite long boring emails in seconds. It will help you generate amazing custom images from simple text prompts. It will also let you talk to a much smarter version of Siri. The massive jump to 8GB of RAM means your apps will never automatically close in the background. You can jump between a YouTube video, a heavy mobile game, and a drawing app instantly. There is no frustrating lag at all. The new 128GB of base storage means you finally have enough room. You can save all your photos, movies, and large games without constantly deleting old files. Apple is giving us a budget device that will